Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the Nintendo Switch 2. This is the bundle right here. I also got the other one, but I won't unbox that one for now because it's pretty much the same as this one. So we're gonna start with this one right here. Oh, I think we got enough space. Let's move this controller out of the way. Here we got the old Nintendo Switch, the original. Here we go. Got the unboxing knife because I know I'm gonna need it because this one has a tape over here. By the way, here side by side with the other one, see it's the same. They just added a sticker over here. You just added a sticker, and the top. This one has these small stickers over here, but that's from the store. So they're about the same. Oh, they added another barcode on top of the other one. It's like a sticker over there. Okay, let's get this one out of the way. And let's unbox the other one, the Nintendo Switch 2 with the Mario Kart World. Wait, can you guys see me? Okay, here you go. A sticker over here, and cut through that sticker. The unboxing knife on the outside of the way. Out of the way. We start right here. It says plug it in, set it up. That's it. Put it out of the way. And go. Then this keyboard is in the way. Here we go. Got two controllers over here. One Switch con, the one with the magnet. This one, they call it red, but it looks more like peach. Now, if you guys can see it from over here, looks peach, orange. No, it looks more peachy. Here's the other one. This one is like a baby blue, sky blue. And here we got the Switch. Ooh, upside down. Switch 2. I don't want to put my fingerprints all over it. Jet. Okay, side by side comparison with the other one. Yeah, look at the screen on this one. You see the bezels? Yeah. Hey, there you go. You can see my face right here. All right, put it out of the way. There you go. Hey, put this on this side. Then what we got here? Oh, Mario Kart World. See, okay. It has like a scratch off. I'm gonna cover it just in case. Okay, there you go. It has a scratch off, but anyway, it has a number in there. Give you instructions on how to set it up. What else we got here? Instructions. We don't need instructions. HDMI, ultra certified cable, HDMI. We got the, oh, here we go, the little bumpers for the Joy-Cons. Okay, what is this? How do you put this? Okay. Here you go. There you go. Put one over here. Get the other one. Get all this plastic out of the way. The other one. Black. It's in there. else we got in here? We got this box out of the way. Okay, over here. Okay, over here we got the. Hey, just like the other one. It's just like the other one. It's a little bit bigger. Okay, let's. Okay, it has a button over here. Wait, that's not the button. Okay, how do you do this? Okay, this button releases the bumpers. Okay, this one over here, over here. That's actually nice, satisfying. Okay, so this button is way better than the one on the old Switch. The small one, the other one was so small. It was so hard to get it out, right? This one clips right there. Press the button. Merely when you press the button, it comes out. Easy. Okay, what else we got here? We got the USB-C to USB-C. That's for the adapter. We got the adapter, USB-C adapter. Plastic out of the way. Okay, we got the here's the dock. Whoa, this dock is chunky compared to the other one. Okay. Oh, so it's not like a little door. This one is more like a shell that you take off. Nice. It has an Ethernet port, HDMI, and the AC adapter. There you go. And that's it. That's all. That's all the unboxing. That's all the unboxing. Let me get the box out of the way. And get plastic out of the way. There's so much plastic, man. Here's the console. Here's the bumpers. Here's the dock. Everything that we're gonna need for to be able to play. USB-C adapter. I just throwing plastic over here, like it's full of plastic. HDMI cable. Instructions. The game. Wait a second. The game. There you go. Mario Kart World. More plastic, more plastic. And that's it. That's all there is. So let me take the Joy-Cons off this thing. Put this on the side. And let me add it to the screen. Wow, that's nice. That's nice. I love magnets. I love magnets. Whoa. Now side by side comparison between the two. Here you go. That's how big it is. It is big. It is big. Wow. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.